Planner shows you we're going to be in the 30s here through the morning, and again, maybe back near 40 this afternoon. Clouds are going to increase, and then maybe a few light showers. Temperatures are going to stay above freezing, so I'm not really too concerned about there being any sort of slick roads, but just know they could be wet. I think really, though, the main weather headline is going to be the cooler temperatures and the strong wind we're going to see for today. Here's Future Scan. I do want to give you an idea of what things could look like on radar. That's a look at 9 a.m. Heading through the morning into the afternoon. Here's lunchtime. You see how we pick up on a few of those spotty showers, mainly during the afternoon, then tapering off as we get into the evening. Next 9 days, we're going to have another chilly day. 41 our high today, 26 our low tonight. More sunshine tomorrow, a high right around 42, 45 on our Thursday. Much warmer on Friday, high of 62 degrees. Heading into the weekend, shower chances Saturday into Sunday. Remember, we spring forward, clocks ahead 1 hour. Sunday morning, then highs in the 50s next week.